Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. Um, well, I'm welcome you to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on the share market trading strategies as well as some important information about intraday trading and positional trading. So this video, I'm going to show you some interesting thing about the short straddle strategy. That is, we are going to sell options. How the time value give you better benefit in short straddle strategy. So how we can manage the strategy. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. So if you like this video, you can like and share to your friends and comment if you have any questions. Okay, I'm taking this stock mark. So it is a free website, so where we can daily get 10 credits for our back test. So here, first of all, what is a short straddle? So we are going to sell the ATM call and put option both at the same strike prices. That is, if market is trading 100 rupees, we are going to sell 100 rupees call option as well as 100 rupees put option on the same expiry on the same time. So we are going to sell both the options. So it is comes under short straddle strategy. So that I am going to uh, do in a bank nifty. So how it is profitable and what is the accuracy rate, and how we can manage if the trade goes wrong. So everything we are going to see in this video. So this is the free one, this website stock monk. Okay, using the free website, we can go for a somewhere around 1 month back test only. But we can do the back test more than years also in this website using the paid credit. Okay, so you can buy credit like this is the pricing. So if you want, you can go for, and if you don't, so we can use the free. And now short straddle is nothing but we are going to sell ATM call as well as ATM put. So here I'm taking a one lot of ATM call and one lot of ATM put. So the margin required for the trade is approximately 1,65,000 in NRML mode. So right now MIS we don't get a maximum benefit because almost we have to pay 75% of the margin due to the peak margin. Okay, so we take that normal margin. So let's calculate what is the margin required for a trade in bank nifty, and we will do the strategy here. And this is what another free website you can use, free as well as paid. So let's go to option and strategy builder. You can go for a bank nifty. So the current market bank nifty is trading around 34,950. That is what a spot market price. You see this is a spot market price and the future price is 35,049. So here what I'm going to do, so 34,950, so we will take a round number of 35,000. So weekly expiry, I'm taking weekly expiry 35,000 call option. It is 70, sorry, 35,000, just a minute. 35,000 call option which is trading 258. So now I am going to sell the option. So I added the position, the same strike price and the same expiry. I am going to take the put option which is trading 275. So now I added both the options. It is a simple short straddle strategy where we are going to get that maximum benefit when the market stays in between 34,467 and 35,553, almost somewhere around 500 points gap between uh, the spot market price or even future price. This is what your break even. Whenever market stays in between the range, you are going to make profit as per this thing. So here you see that whenever your break even goes, market goes above your break even or below your break even, you are going to make a loss on the strategy. This is on expiry basis. This blue line, which is a trade plus day. So from your trading day, if market moves, so how much you are going to get a profit. So like that. So the maximum profit in this trade is 13,000. So the required margin for the trade is 1,83,000. So almost near about 2 lakhs. If you are doing the trade, so you can use at least 2 lakh or 2.5 lakh margin. That should be a better margin to take one lot of option opportunity. So here you see the probability, that is a 50%, 50.0. So almost 50-50 chances is there to make profit as well as lose. So when you take the trade, it may be go profitability or it may be because your chances is 50-50. So while you are managing that position in a very right manner, so possibilities to make profit in the strategy is quite high. And the loss for the trade is maximum loss is unlimited, but the unlimited in the sense of, so your position should was open and the market is goes any one side or directional, either the if it is goes up, keep on going up, so that time your short options may make lose in the direction trade. But how we can simply manage, or how we can make a stop loss for the trade, so that will give you better result when if you are doing the trade. So now I'm showing you what are the best probability or best way to make using the strategy. So here we are going to sell the options. I'm not taking any profit from the day. So first of all, I might take entry where I'm going to take as intraday basis at 9:30. I'm going to take the trade. So the best time frame, while if you are taking the trade 9:30 to 10 o'clock should be the best time you can enter into the position, 9:30 to 10. Okay, so this is what a entry time where you can take. So exit time, you can exit from 12 sorry 2:30 to you can exit with the 3:15 the maximum. So in your intraday position you can exit out from these times, should give you better result. So now we will try to do some different back test. So what I am doing, so let's I sold both the options. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to put a stop loss up to 10% of the my entry premium. So for example, if I entered around 100 rupees, I put a stop loss of 10 rupees, and that is 110 is my 10 percentage of my entry premium. So if I entered 100, my stop loss should be 110. If I entered 200, so my stop loss should be 220. So here I'm going to backtest with the bank nifty. So here square of only one leg. So for example, if I sold what I'm thinking, if I for example I sold call around 100. Okay, if stop loss hit around 110, my put option may decrease from 100 to 90, but I was not exiting this trade and I'm keep running the trade uh, up to the closing of the day until this also be stop loss or both the stop loss triggered in case. So okay, that is my first condition which I created here. 10% my stop loss and bank nifty, and I'm going to exit by 3:10 or 3 o'clock. I'm going to exit my position at 3 o'clock. Okay, so if the strategy is clear, at 9:30 I'm going to enter the short straddle on the bank nifty with the ATM options, and I'm going to exit 3 o'clock on the same day with the 10% stop loss of my option legs, either call and put. So this is what so we cannot change the time frame or monthly, because you see user with the free credit cannot change data. So 1 month data we can check it out when we have the paid credit. So I'll show you the full data also. So now intraday strategy, and I'm started going to start back test here. Okay, so here when I do the back test, you see that the result came around 24,000. It generated the profit, that is simply, so almost 24,853 is the profit where in the last 1 month. So here you see that the accuracy of the system is 50%. So if you are taking almost 22 trading sessions, 11 got it over one stop loss, even two stop loss also be it on 11 days. The maximum loss per day, average loss, this is what average loss of 1400, and maximum loss which faces around the 2379 in a day, and 6400 is the maximum profit in a single day. The average profit, you can see that average profit is 1000 rupees per day. It is a good, and average expiry profit on the expiry day, if you do that, the maximum profit should be 4900 or average profit. That is not a maximum profit. Total expiry we seen around 5, and maximum continuous winning is around 5 days and continuous loss is around 4 days. And sometimes almost one side got triggered when you're using 10 percentage of the stop loss, so your accuracy for a thing is 50-50. But even though this accuracy you are going to make somewhere around 24,000, it is not big. And if you are compared to your investment, for example, if you are using a 2.5 lakhs, it is around giving you 10 percentage of return from your capital if you are doing a 1 month in the same system. Okay, so here one thing we are understand, the start straddle gives you money, and you see that this month it is from here. Now this is around in the June month, from the 1st of June it is a 3,000 losses running now, and weekly you see that 2,000 rupees profit on the 14th May to 20th May, and 27 expiry contract 1,800, and 3rd June contract 2,000, and here 10th June it gives you loss of 832, and 17th is now trading loss of 1925. So here simply we see that but final result of this strategy in the last 30 trading session, which gives you the best return up to 10% on your capital, and you can check it out on daily profit. And so let's show you all. I remove all the things. If I do Monday alone, so it generated me a 5,000 rupees profit. If I do Tuesday, it will give you the almost 11,000. If I do Wednesday, it is giving me a loss. If I do then expiry, that is also giving me a profit. Then on Friday, it is also be giving you profit. And Friday and Tuesday alone, it gives you better result. What the thing, the strategy was working on these days, which are somewhat good, right? And so now instead of same strategy, if I square off both the legs, if anyone hit the stop loss, for example, if call trigger my stop loss at the same time, I should exit, but that was not giving you better result. Let's check it out. What is the result when I exit both the legs? You see that I was doing the trade and I placed that, and you can see 22 day on stop loss trigger, and we will exit another position. But the profit is just 600, because when we are running an opposite leg, when the if call trigger your stop loss, we put may even it drops its value. Okay, square of one leg should be the best one. Now I'm going to change the stop loss up to 20% stop loss. Now whenever the premium sold, I've made a stop loss from 20% at 9:30 to 3 o'clock. The same scenario. So what was the profit? Here you see that the profit is slightly increasing, and you see the accuracy is little bit higher. Previously we seen 50-50% accuracy. Here we got a somewhere around a 73% accuracy, and the same thing you see. And two stop loss, sometimes two stop loss also triggered by in 6 days. Means call also be triggering your stop loss, and put also be triggering your stop loss. One stop loss was done it on 15 days. Okay, no stop loss were triggered, only one day it's not triggered at both the start. But even though it was giving you better result around 26,000 as a total profit, where using a one lot, both it gives you better result. So and if I do with the square of another leg, the same scenario, that may be not giving you the better thing. So you see that 1,000 is the profit, compared to if you are waiting for up to 3 o'clock, so our profit should be 26,000. But when we are exiting both the legs, so we got a somewhere the profit is no profit like that. Here accuracy it may be 55 to 45, but the profit is very less. So again we will increase that to 30%, or even another scenario in 20%, which I move to stop loss to cost. What is the, if any leg stop loss you hit, move opposite leg to the cost. So simple. So the same straddle strategy, what we are going to do, for example, if I 100 rupees sold on call, 100 rupees sold on put, so if any condition, if the call triggers my stop loss 120, I was changing my put stop loss at 100, or if my put stop loss get triggered 120, I was changing my stop loss to 100. Simple. So that is the thing which I am going to apply here. So I was changing my stop loss whenever my stop loss is, and the same thing which I am going to backtest. What would be the result? You see that? So little bit higher compared to 20% stop loss. Here you see that two stop loss were hit on 8 days, and one stop loss hit on 13 days. Only one day it is never hit your stop loss, but the simple mechanism which we are done here, the accuracy of this system is 64%. The previous strategy having more accuracy around 73, but the accuracy is less, a little bit drawn, and that profit, overall profit, is near about 27k for a last 30 days. Okay, and another thing, so which we can increase by 30%. So so this is a system we are checking how it is giving you better money while you are doing an intraday trade also. So if I am making a 30% stop loss, so let's check it out, what should be the result. So you see that if I maintain a 30% stop loss, I'm just getting a around 10,700 only, and not giving a good result. And if I make a stop loss, then we see what it given. In 30% scenario, if I make a stop loss at a cost, if any leg triggered as a stop loss, so it is also giving me a 17k. So compared to 10%, 20%, 30%, so we got some good result on 20%. And if I go for a 40% stop loss, let's check it how it is working. And I just given a 40% stop loss, so it is giving us just 9,000 rupees, so not good. And let move to cost, and let's start back test. Here 13,000, so not good. Accuracy is a little bit higher, but not good. So as per the understand, so we are testing from some other four different way of stop loss we are maintaining. So what we get on 10%, also some good profit we got, 20% even better chance, and 30% less profit, and 40% even less profit. So we decide these two are the best way to make, and 20% is the better way, even if you are because it is given a 23, this given a 27, and this one is 13 and something around 17 and 13, right? So when we are do a short straddle in a bank nifty ATM option, so we maintain a 20% stop loss for the trade, so that gives a better result around 27k. So that is what around 10% of your investment required for the trade, right? So this way you can manage, or you can backtest more days. So like let's show you that it is a 20% stop loss. Here I'm showing you 20% stop loss with one leg triggered. So almost 50 weekly expiries is taken. It is what it was taken by almost 1 year data. This is what 1 year data, and 20% stop loss which we can maintain. So that was generating more than 1 lakh 17,000 profit. When you compare to 2.5 lakhs, it is almost up to 45 to 50 percentage of the return without doing uh, any technical analysis, any indicator we are not using. Simply we are going to sell around 930 ATM straddle with we maintain around 20% stop loss, and another leg we are going to leave it, and 161 days one stop loss ticket, because market should move either up or down. uh, so that side, which direction market moves, in that direction our stop loss got triggered. And you see that maximum winning strike is around 10 days you can continuously win in a one streak, and 5 days is the maximum lose, even if you are trying to do the strategy. If are 3-4 days continuous loss, don't uh, leave the strategy, because it was a profitable strategy. And in here 1 year back test, you see that the accuracy around 66 percentage and your loss is around 34 percentage. The higher accuracy 66% is the somewhat good accuracy, and your average expiry profit is 2300 and daily average profit is 500. So it's a like a making money in a simpler way to daily 500 rupees is a good enough. So if you want to increase your profit, you can increase your capital and you can do the same and simple strategy, so that will give you the better and best performance for the short straddle always giving you an index also having a good volatility and also good liquidity, so you don't need um, worry about that slippage and other things. If you are doing the stocks, so you may face the volatile liquidity factors because the options having high and the gap between the premium. But if you are comparing index, so you don't face that kind of errors. So this is a strategy which give you better result and best way to make money. So make use of it. So if you like this video, like and share to your friends and comment on this video. Thank you very much.